comes on. See, it's red. We start with these ones like this. There we go. Does that go there?
Yeah.
Yeah.
No.
And something else go there. I think that might go there first. You put that in there, don't you? And then that one.
Outside.
I think I might go there. Oh, so it does.
But my door there.
Very good. Now we need more curtains.
We do need more cars to go outside. Upside down.
Oh, no, you are right, I think, Joshy Posh.
I don't think I was wrong.
You think you were wrong? I think you might be right. Yeah, I think you're right, that does go there. Well done.
Outside. Raining.
I think you're definitely wrong with that one.
I'm wrong.
That goes over there. So that one, I think, will go there.
There.
Yay. That's it. Use the handle at the bottom.
The candle goes
And
there.
you can twist it to sort of unscrew and then it will move easier than it's screwed against time. Oh no, has that come off?
Because all the pieces come off. Only keep the body puzzle. That does good, doesn't it?
That does go there, yeah, well done. Yeah. There.
That does good, that doesn't it?
Yeah, it does, doesn't it? And that one? A bit like that. Simple, you just
On the candles. We don't know.
a little zoom on top.
That one's pink. Oh, pink one.
I locked this video camera, so all that means is now everybody's now going to have to turn side